Hi guys, good morning. So I hope you are all doing well, staying safe, staying healthy. Today I do have a review for some Diamond Press items. It will be this kit that I'm going to show you in just a minute, the Easter Blessing Stamp and Die. There is a little bit of housekeeping to take care of those. So as you guys may know now or have checked out for HSN Craft Day that was supposed to be on the 31st, on March 31st in a couple days here, it's pretty much been canceled, rearranged. I don't know. I think Anna Griffin's going to be on a couple times with the Joy Crafts Companion. I'm not sure. I think Sarah might have mentioned that she's going to be teleconferencing. I don't know. But I know Diamond Press, some of the items that they were going to be representing are bumped to a different time. So a different day completely. So one of the items that they are going to have available that's available right now is the Diamond Press Easter Blessing Stamps and Die. And Diamond Press is also going to be doing a Facebook Live for it on the 31st. If I have any information that for the link, I will have it in the description box. Okay, so make sure to check that out to either watch it if you missed it or to watch it live, right? When they're doing it with the Facebook Live. There's also going to be a giveaway in this video because Diamond Press is very generous to always do giveaways. And my contact there says he doesn't know, he just likes to do giveaways. So and I know you guys appreciate it, so that's great. Along with that, that means if I do a giveaway in this video, I won't be able to respond to the comments because it mixes up, you know, the number system as far as how I use random.org to find the winners. So I will not be responding to comments here, but if you leave comments in anywhere else, other videos, if it has to do with this or anything, I will respond there. So just so you know, also Diamond Press did send these items for free for my review, and all opinions are my own as always. So I'm going to get to this. So let's talk about, I think I mentioned everything I need to mention. Oh, I will be reviewing the marquee. Keep an eye out for that. That is the new Diamond Press with the larger opening on April 1st. Keep an eye out. I will have that video for you guys and another little giveaway in there. So just check that out. So as far as the giveaway for this one, today is, I'm not sure the exact date, so I will close the giveaway on the 2nd, April 2nd, and I will draw 3 names on April 3rd to win a set of markers. So let's look at these markers, and of course you need to be a subscriber to my channel, like the video, leave a comment, at least saying enter me. If you want to say something about the product, that's great, but say enter me also. And then we will have the set of markers, which is really great. I have tried these markers out before in the Celebrations kit, and they're really nice markers. So I'm going to try to use them today also so you can kind of see them in action. But 3 people will win a 12-pack, I believe, yes, of water-based markers, okay? So let's check this out. So thank you so much, Diamond Press, for being so generous for sending these items for a review. And, you know, I wish them the best of luck with their HSN days here coming up too. Let's see here. And as always, they do have their own site, mydiamondpress.com, that you can check out any other kits that might interest you there. And let's see. Oh, okay, I have seen this one. I wasn't sure exactly what it was. I've seen it on HSN's site. I'm going to completely open this. I tell you guys, this is one thing, when this little sticky stuff sticks to the plastic, I have to just rip it off. I don't mess with it. I just rip it completely off. So we have our dies here. A nice set of dies. There's the word rejoice, faith, hope, Easter. Really nice. And then we have a nice sheet here, which I hadn't seen before. I don't know if they are always including these or if this is something new, but that's really nice. So they're showing you, like, if you stamp the happy, or you have the Easter cut out plus some of the stamping here, you can have something that says Happy Easter, Easter blessings, wishing you a peace and love and happiness this Easter. You know, different ways to mix that up together. So that's really nice. And then on the back it shows you the different die shapes that go along with the stamps. Oh, that's so pretty. I didn't know that there was little flower ones. I had seen the crosses and things, which is what I was tending to use, and we'll see what happens. It comes with a folder for your Diamond Press, of course, and all the stamps. Oh, I like this little kind of, let me see if I can, there we go. The little leaves here kind of thing. Some crosses. That's a big hallelujah there. I am the way, the truth, the life, and truth and the life. Sorry, John 14:6. It has a lot of really nice sentiments there. Little background images. He is risen. Lots of nice things here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is grab some paper, some, I don't know, inks, other things, and try and get this going. Okay, my initial idea was to use the markers to do like a background paper, so I'm still gonna do that and see what happens. Hopefully this will be what I imagine, what I want to happen. I have a piece of paper here that's already cut at 4 by 5 1/4, just white stamping card. I have a little spray bottle, and we're gonna use this. And I might have to do this a couple times to build up the color, but we will see. I want to go kind of with like a purple, orange, and I know this might seem odd, but I think this is what I want to do. So I'm going to take my purple marker and just really put down a lot of color. And then I'll take the orange one and do the same. I'm not really trying to rub them together because I don't want to contaminate my orange. I'm not sure I want to use the blue, but that's okay. I'm just going to spray it with some water just to get that activated a little bit. And I'm going to bring my paper through, and I'm going to lay it on here, but I also want to like swipe it through here just to make sure it really gets on there. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's exactly kind of thing I was looking for. I see this corner got missed. I want to go back in there and really push down that corner. Oh, pretty, pretty. Alright, I'm going to do it one more time like I said. This time it's really just to get that last corner that kind of missed. I want it to be a little more uniform. So I've done this kind of with markers before, but I didn't spray it the way I'm doing now. I did a slightly different when I did that rainbow card for you guys that last time. Okay. And maybe what I need to do is go ahead and press that down. Alright, that's pretty good. It's just a nice background. That's what I'm looking for. Maybe this side needs a little more too. Alright. Looks good. Okay, yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, so I'm going to put this to the side to dry. So like I said, this is kind of just like a background paper. I'm going to clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I think I'm ready to build up our card. So I'm going to put that to the side for now. And I'm going to stamp with some black ink. I'm going to use VersaFine because it's water resistant, and just in case I need to do anything else with water, which I haven't decided yet on doing or not. I'm going to put a nice pretty cross like this one. I'm going to stamp that on some craft cardstock. Sorry about that, I was putting my stamp on here upside down. Flat side goes to your block, right, obviously. And I'm just going to stamp this anywhere because we're just going to trim this out. That is an amazing stamp. VersaFine ink is really great, and look how nicely it's stamped that image. Okay, let me see if this is small enough to go through this thing. I might have to cut it down just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim that out. So there are 3 crosses. 2 of them correspond to this die, and then one of them corresponds to that one. I'm only going to cut out one of them, and then I'm going to do something with the other that you'll see in a minute. So I'm kind of making like a little background scene. At least that's what I hope to do. Right there. Sorry about that. Super easy. It's so nice to just see through it and pretty much get it right the first time. Really nice. So there's that one. And then I'm going to cut out the word rejoice. And I'm going to cut out 2 of them. So we're going to do like a drop shadow. And I'm going to cut it out once on purple paper and then once on a white paper. And where did I put my little folder? Over here. I like that the I is attached to the, and the J, the dot is attached to the letter there. So it's nothing we have to search for. Maybe we can put like a little something on there for punctuation, make it stand out a little more. We will see. And some white cardstock. Oh, this is stamping cards, so it's a lot thicker. Ooh, that one took some elbow grease. The other papers I normally use are just recollections. And when people ask me about that, it's just the Michaels cheap $2 a pack when it's on sale cardstock, right? So we have those two. And let me clean up some of this so I can kind of reassess what I was doing, and we'll continue. So I still have my ink here. I have this. We're going to bring back our paper. Hopefully I don't get too much ink all over this because my hands got a lot of ink when I put that stamp on my stamp block backwards. Oh, I want it this way actually. Okay. So I got ink all over. So I'm going to take that more basic looking, just a little more plain cross, and I'm going to put, hopefully I do this where I want it to be. I'm not exactly sure. I'm going to put one here. This stamps so nicely. Oh my gosh. One here. Look at that. And then my idea was to then put this nicer one here. So hopefully you understand the symbolism of that there. And then to make it so that they're not just floating around, I ripped a piece of paper earlier and I was like, oh, I need to rip a piece of paper, so I don't want to rip another one. So I used this to cut my purple piece of paper out for the lettering. So all you do is just tear a piece of paper, and it kind of has like a roundish look here. So all I'm going to do is literally just take that. I have some blue, ocean blue, water reactive ink. It doesn't have to be water reactive. And I'm just going to dip into that and just kind of make like a little something. And I think the person, or I see the most do this, is Lavinia stamps. Maybe? Let me see if that's, yeah. So that kind of makes like a little something so they're not just floating around. And then this one should have one too. I just don't know exactly where I'm putting that one, so I'm just going to kind of do the same thing, but not all the way across, just kind of in this area. Nope, still a little more. A little further down. Something like that. Okay, so we're going to put that there, and then we're going to put the words rejoice, and I wanted to also stamp a little something else with the black ink. I'm going to stamp the He Is Risen part up at top. So hopefully, let me put this straight. Then we have that there. And I'm going to try to line this up so it's not crooked, but we will see what happens. So I hope you guys are liking this card, the techniques that are going into it. That's really nice. Oh my gosh, the stamps are like super, super nice. Okay, so last thing I wanted to do is put together, I'm going to put that to the side for now, our little, oh, and I don't know if you had noticed the nail design I did recently. I used this exact tool to do the dotting on my nails, so you can check that out. The tacky tool from Diamond Press. Okay, so I'm going to drop shadow these. I'm going to stick these together with the white in the background of the purple. So I'm going to take just something like this, my little tool with some tacky glue in it, and I always like to just kind of run around the edges of this. And by I mean edges, like the very surface, right? The very tip, wherever I can get it. Again, 3-in-1, or not 3-in-1, but the Beacon spray glue, run it through a sticker maker, however you like to do this kind of thing. Use the Dotty tape pen from Crafter's Companion. And I'm going to have to really look at this one, make sure I have it right. Oh, I hear my daughter just woke up. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna let this dry for a second and then finish up our card. Okay, so I have a standard piece of paper here, just cut in half. So it's 5.5 by 8.5, and we're just gonna fold it in half again. Normally I would, and I would say that normally I would score it, but I keep just folding it in half. So I guess that's not normal for me, is it? Oh, I hear someone getting up. Goodness gracious. Okay, so before we put this all down, I'm gonna stick this to my card base so that we have that nice and adhered. So I'm just gonna run this tape pen on the back of it, and I'll be right back. I've already put tape pen all over this because again, we just use this to do some, add some water to it, so sometimes it gets a little bit wonky. And let's go. So I hope you guys are all doing well, staying home, having fun with the kids, doing some crafting if you got it. And let's see, let's put this here. And I'm almost done with my crochet blanket that I was giving you guys a tutorial with, so I'm gonna finish it up today hopefully, so I'll have it for you guys tomorrow. And this is just 3D glue gel. I've shown many times how to refill it in here, what it is, what it looks like. It's just glue, and like I said, people have given me the tip of using Aleene's tacky glue because it's very thick when it comes out, and you can do kind of the same thing with it. So just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna put this one here, and then we're gonna have the word rejoice down here. I guess I'm gonna stick it down flat. I was just trying to think about how I want to do it. I would put it on there. That'd be really nice, maybe. I wasn't thinking about doing that, but that's a kind of a different way of using it. I don't know. I'll just put it down here for now, but since we put that background on it, it's very sturdy, right? It's that drop shadow, so you can definitely do something like that. And you can probably even pop this up if you really wanted to, but I'm going to go ahead and just stick it down flat. So thank you so much, Diamond Press. Guys, make sure to enter the giveaway. Again, I won't be able to respond here, but if you have any questions, try to leave them in a different video or bring them to the Facebook Live for Diamond Press. That'd be fun. I'll have the links for you guys. Good luck. Again, we'll be giving away 3 sets of markers, and follow the entry rules at the end of the video, and that is the card. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I think it came out really nice. I just had an idea and I'm like, let me see if this will come together nicely, and I think it did. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one, and as always, be well, be safe, and bye now.